Hey beauty people, welcome back to this video. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can add Jasmine product review to your Shopify store. So before get started, please consider to subscribe my channel and like this video. First go to your Shopify admin panel and then on the left panel click on the app. Now go to all recommended app. Now on the bottom click on Shopify App Store. Now go to search and then here search for Jasmine. And this is the app Jasmine product review. Now click on install. After that click on install. Now you will see this setting pop up. Just select your language and then choose the theme which one you want to add. After that you need to install widget. Click on that to install widget and then it will redirect to your store's customization. Now on the left panel here you will see the review widget. So make sure this is added here and then on the top right corner click on save. After that close this and then go to your Jasmine review dashboard and then click on continue. Now set up your branding. You can change the star color like yellow or other color. Just click on that and then just select your color and then click on continue. Domestic order. After the order is fulfilled, send the review request after 14 days. So you can increase the days or decrease. Same way do this. After that click on finish. Now you can import product review from other site like Alibaba or other store, or you can go to explore Jasmine. So this is Jasmine dashboard. You can see the status, how many review requests sent, how many review over time. So all other information are showing here, and then on the right side here you can navigate other things like manage review, collect review and other things. Now let's check our store. Go to a single product. Now if I scroll down here you will see the review option, write a review. So the color is very weird, so it's not looking good. Maybe I should change the color. So go to our Jasmine review, go to widget, review widget, color, click on that. So these are primary color and these are custom star color. So we are going to choose black. After that on the top right corner click on the save. Now let's check our store, reload, and there you go. So now you can write a review. So that's how you can add review to your Shopify store by using Jasmine product review. Thanks for watching.